Hey, it's Jackie and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have another celebrity makeup recreation, and this video is in partnership with Revlon as part of the Revlon Tirage for 2019. As I've done for a couple years on my channel, I love bringing you guys seasonal makeup trends and how to achieve the looks with Revlon. So today we are talking about the new Romantics trend. This is perfect for summer and it's all about dewy skin, bold brows, pops of orange and pink to the eyes, and then super glossy lips using the Revlon Ultra HD Vinyl Lip Polish. And another really cool product we're using today is the Revlon ColorStay Brow Shape and Glow. This is really unique and something different from Revlon, and I think you guys are going to be really interested in it because I am obsessed. And of course, like I was saying, this is perfect for every day in the summertime. I am wearing a wig though, because this is inspired by Hale. When I was reading through the new Romantics trend report, I just thought of her because she always has really versatile looks, and this is one of my favorites, and I thought it really aligned with the trend. So I hope you guys like it. If you do, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you are new for more pop culture videos. Also in this video, I wanted to share a couple different ways to make this look your own with statement lips, still using the Revlon Ultra HD Vinyl Lip Polish in a couple different shades, and I can't wait for you guys to try out these lip looks as well. I'm super drawn to all these pink shades right now, so I hope you guys like this look, and let's get started. Got on my little bob and have moisturized, and let's start with the Revlon PhotoReady Rose Glow Hydrating and Illuminating Primer. This number one looks super pretty, and it's a ultralight formula that's fast absorbing and boosts skin's radiance with a dewy finish. And following up, I'm using Revlon PhotoReady Candid Foundation in the shade Buff. This fits my skin tone super well. I've raved about this foundation in the Taylor Hill celebrity recreation I did, so I just used a deeper shade there. But this creamy texture goes on like a moisturizer and then blends in seamlessly to even out an enhanced skin tone. I went with a really light hand here because I did have an epic facial recently, so my skin tone is pretty even, but I do have some bumps, so to kind of conceal those, I am building up for more of a medium coverage with this foundation while still appearing quite natural. And then I'm starting to highlight and add a bit more coverage, mainly under the eyes and on the cheekbones, with the Revlon PhotoReady Candid Concealer. Again, this is skincare inspired, and what's super cool about this formula is that it's infused with caffeine for a built-in pick-me-up. Caffeine is my everything, and I love the wand on this concealer, and then just to blend, I'm using a foundation brush. Part of the new Romantics trend that we are going for today is dewy skin, so I'm actually leaving my foundation, but if you do need to set, I would recommend to go with the Revlon PhotoReady Candid Loose Setting Powder just over your T-zone. And I found making my face shape more like Lucy to be hard because I am so round, and the bob definitely enhances that on me, but we're going to try to enhance those cheekbones and give myself a pointier chin using the Revlon PhotoReady Insta-Sculpt Contouring Palette. And then nose contour, I shortened my nose by adding a shadow at the bottom, created more of a defined tip, and then a wider set nose bridge that has more definition to it. It did take a while, but I decided to stop at this point, and I really hoped when I brought in the big Lucy brows that it would start to come together. So for brows, I'm using the Revlon ColorStay Brow Shape and Glow, and this is such a cool product from Revlon. I have never tried a pen like this, and you can really draw in hairs, and it was very easy to use. I started with soft brown to plan out my shape, and since my brows are already quite big, I didn't want to add too much intensity at once. So starting by precisely filling in the front hairs and then the sparse areas, and next I went in with the black shade in the same product to finish off the brow. This is very similar to the effect of microblading without the pain or cost, and the brow marker just glides on smoothly. And then on the other side, if you flip it around, we have a smooth powder formula to illuminate the brow bone, and this shade is more pink based than champagne, which is perfect for this look. Lucy is super romantic with very blushed cheeks. Just sweep this lightweight powder on the skin and build up the color to the amount of pink you want. The new and improved formula has extended shade ranges for the Revlon blushes, and it's shine free, and as you can see, it's not enhancing my pores. I love cream products, but sometimes they do kind of enhance pores. And by the way, the placement is further up the cheekbones and less on the apples of the cheeks for this look. The eye look is also super quick and easy. I absolutely love this one. We're just going to use one palette in the Revlon PhotoReady Eye Contour Kit in Romanticism, which is a perfect name for this trend, and I'm taking the copper shimmery earthy tone shade to the outer and inner portion of the lid, blending over with my finger for more of a subtle wash of color. As you can see, it is very pigmented, and I didn't want it quite as bold. And then I am using the magenta in the center of the lid from the palette and blending together again. To soften the shadow, moving upwards into the crease, use the bottom champagne shade and create a sweeping motion through and above the crease. Lightest shade in the inner corner and top of the lid to catch the light. And one more time, blend the copper and magenta under the bottom lash line for doll-like eyes like Lucy. By the way, I am wearing these green contacts. I got them in South Korea. They look super real and very close to Lucy's green-blue eyes, just if you're thrown off by my eye color being slightly different. And add a little deepness to the lash line to make the lashes look a lot fuller. And that's it for shadows. This look seriously took 2 minutes, and here we have contoured eyes with some depth, dimension, and a pop of romantic color. The formula is safe for sensitive eyes if that is something you worry about with shadows, and if you want to use this look but do it a little bit more dramatic, you can use these shadows wet or dry. Curl those lashes. I always feel very posh with this gold curler, and we're not using any falsies today, just Revlon Volumazing mascara. I'm doing about 3 coats for standout lashes, and the mascara is ultra creamy. It's infused with nourishing olive oil, and it's clump-free for very soft fanned out volume, which is exactly the style of lashes that Lucy rocks. We're using the Volumazing wand to really hug each lash, and it doesn't disperse too much product. If you like to build up your mascara, sometimes that can be a problem and it gets goopy, but this is one of my favorite mascaras to reach for. And then Lucy's lip shape is really going to help transform this look and give us a wearable Lucy-inspired makeup look. Overline the top lip in a rounded shape and extend the lip liner for a wider set mouth. A great everyday shade is the Revlon ColorStay lip liner in nude. And time to gloss. The Revlon Ultra HD Vinyl Lip Polish is a game changer. Forget lipstick and then the gloss. This formula is high shine with intense bold color. It's very smooth, keeps your lips very hydrated, and is super easy to apply, and you can get the high coverage color in one coat. I thought this was the best shade to fit the look. Either Birthday Suit, which I'm applying here, or the shade Act Natural. I decided in the end to blend the two together and got the perfect Lucy shade, but I'll show you 3 other shades to intensify this new romantic look, but please let me know which lip combo is your favorite in the poll. Also, if you guys want to help me out, if you have any other celebrities or characters that I can use this wig for, let me know, because I think this wig is super cute and I'm blanking on other people I could do. So now that we have the look just like Lucy, let's switch it up and really play with the new romantics trend in a bolder way with different lip looks. When I think romantic, I think of red lips, so here's the shade Cherry on Top. And finally, a two-toned lip. One of my favorite pictures I did with Revlon about 2 years ago was this baby on screen, and we have the two-toned lip upgraded with intensity using this purpley shade and a coral. Unexpected, but super cute. And there are 8 shades in total of these lippies with an awesome applicator that delivers precise application, making my life so easy when I'm swatching these. And here's the complete Lucy Hale inspired look using the new romantics trend with Revlon. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's one of my favorite makeup looks, and there's some really cool products in here. Make sure you vote in the poll which lip combo was your favorite, and if you try out any of these lip looks, please tag me. I would love to see your looks, as well as any other tutorials you want to try out. If it's hair or makeup, just tag me on Instagram because I love featuring you guys. So here are a couple of my favorite photos. Thanks for watching, and if you want to catch up with more celebrity recreations, I do have a playlist, and I just came back from South Korea, so I'm a little sick just from all the traveling. That's why my voice is a little funny, but subscribe to my vlog channel if you want to see that upcoming vlog as well as my New York vlog. Lots of fun stuff coming up, and I'll see you in my next video.